Our integration with Xero allows you to auto-sync contact and invoice data into Constant Contact, saving you time and allowing you to send more targeted emails. Want to see how it all works? Let's take a look. First, click Integrations and then do a search for Xero. Click the Xero block and you'll be presented with a pop-up. If you already have a Xero account, click Connect My Account. If you don't have a Xero account yet, you can click to create one. No matter which option you select, you'll be taken to Xero to either log into your account or create a new one. Once you're logged in, you'll be prompted to allow access for the connection. Once you allow access, you'll be taken back to Constant Contact where you can see that the connection was successful. Once connected, you can create an import. Click Import Contacts and then choose to either import all of the contacts or specific contact groups. Select the list these contacts should be added to or create a new list. Then, choose how often this sync should be updated. Next, choose how we should handle updating your contacts, either overwrite or merge them. Then click Continue. Click the checkbox to confirm that you have permission to email these contacts, and then click Import. And that's how easy it is to use Xero in combination with Constant Contact.